Right to energy. Have you heard about right to energy? First of all, thank you for listening to this video. I want to tell you the biggest challenge in the world in energy sector and how can you help to resolve those challenges. We called all the experts around 5 years back and they discussed what is the biggest challenge in the world in energy sector. And they said there is not one challenge, there are three challenges, 1, 2, 3. First challenge was that 1.2 billion people across the world do not have access to electricity. We are all blessed that we have electricity, AC is running. We can charge our mobile phones, we can watch TV. Just imagine a situation of 1.2 billion people do not have electricity. Second biggest challenge, 3.2 billion people across the world do not have access to clean fuel to cook food. That means almost 40% of the world does not have access to clean fuel. Our mothers cook food in a smoky environment from wood, from cow dung cakes, and now cow dung cake and wood is not available, so their trash is used to cook food. They inhale all the poisonous gases available and they get sick. And they all alone are not sufferers. Their child of 1 day to 10 years has no place to go. He sits with the mother and he also suffers. So effectively we are generating two generations. 5 million people every year die because of this problem. Third challenge, if you have 500 to 900 to 1100 per capita power consumption in India, and not only in India, in the entire developing world, between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, then in USA and the developed country, Western Europe, the per capita power consumption is 22,000 to 30,000 per person per annum. You see the gap. Effectively, it means that there is energy poverty in this part of the world. So there are three challenges. One is 1.2 billion people across the world do not have access to electricity. Secondly, 3.2 billion people across the world do not have access to clean fuel to cook food. Third, there is energy poverty. Let us not be part of problem. There is a solution. One solution is right to energy. What is right to energy? Minimum amount of energy should be accessible to the last person in the world to have a dignified living. That is called right to energy. And we are running to make right to energy in a mission mode, in a campaign form. We are running to make right to energy a fundamental right in all the constitutions of the world and included in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights as a basic human rights. So my ask is that please write a campaign, support the right to energy movement, visit our website, sign up and show your support for right to energy movement. Thank you.
Thank you to faculty and management of JIT Nagpur for organizing the online workshop on e-mobility. I am Raj Singh Niranjan, Managing Partner of Trans India Law Associates, the largest law firm in the world in energy sector, including e-mobility. I am also founder of Dr. Gopal Energy Foundation, which is working to make right to energy a fundamental right in all the constitutions of the world. Today, the world is facing two major challenges. Number one, climate change, and number two, energy poverty. E-mobility revolution has the potential to mitigate the climate change situation to a great extent. Now, with your new talent, you have the opportunity to be part of the transformation which will happen where fossil fuel transportation will be replaced by e-vehicles in next 2 decades. So congratulations to all of you. Congratulations to students, congratulations to faculty from across India for attending this brilliant event. Thank you.